Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at a 5x8 250-gallon round charcoal grill. This grill does come with a charcoal round grill on the tongue, measuring at 31 inches. This grill also comes with a chamber made of 7-gauge steel. You have 59 by 29 cooking surface. There is wood storage on the bottom of your warming box, which is 24 inches wide and 29 inches deep and 13 inches tall. This Charkettle does come with a 2-inch grease drain and 4-inch smoke outlet on the top. This grill does come with a counterweight. Our wood box is 64 inches by 17.5 inches. There is a 6-inch air intake with our firebox. This trailer does come with LED brake lights, as well as a 35K axle on 15-inch wheels and rims. Sure, it does have our diamond plate fenders. This grill also has your cool touch spring handles, as well as 2 racks that pull out. There are 3 temperature gauges on this grill. 2 on the grill itself, and 1 on our box. Once again, this is a 250-gallon smoker. If you were interested in this smoker, any other smoker we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.